everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these samply hands-free flashlights, and what they do is they go on your hands and give you a flashlight so you don't have to be carrying around a flashlight. So let's gonna give these things a check. That's like what the little barcode and stuff is in the back. But let's see how these are. So box empty, comes with this little card of how to use it. Basically, you want to stick it around your hands. I'll leave that handy. Then it comes in a cool little box, kind of nice. So you can put on one side or both, I guess. So I'll just try one side for right now. Actually, let's see what's all in here. So as I open them up, it comes with, so this side here has one, it comes with a little charging cable, which, oh, the light just went on, looks like it's got a little proprietary little two-prong adapter that's gonna make it charge. And then I guess I just pushed to turn on the light. The light turns on just by tapping it. So let's see how this works here. So it's going to have a wrist strap, and I can just put the wrist strap on my hand here. Kind of like the same strap like my watch. Okay, so there's that on there. And then look at these little lights. It's got the little, what's it called? A little bungee kind of cord for it. So I could put it on any two fingers I want. I guess I would want to put it on these two to give me the thing. And then if I want to tighten it up, let's see. Oh yeah, so look in here, I can tighten it up. I can just put those through. Let me turn it off so the light's not shining at y'all. But yeah, so if I push it through there, so I can make it a little smaller. Now I made it pretty small, but there, so there, I can leave it right there. And then I touch the button, and there's the brightness. I guess a little less bright, you can see. And they both go on at the same time. And now I have dexterity, and I have the lights easily accessible. And I can put them on any fingers I want. I can put them on this finger if I wanted to, just depending on what I'm doing. I guess it would depend if I'm trying to do some little screws or something. I can do that. It's pretty cool. I actually see it here as I'm going to pick up things. If I want to pick up some wires or something like that over here, it's totally lighting up the area. I guess that's what it does. It's got a good beam of light. It kind of gets all around. It's not just some like laser light. It's very cool. So I'm gonna say this is nice, and then I got a second one for my other hand. So very nice setup here, and super easy to use. You saw I put that on in 2 seconds, and I like the way it has this little coiled cord here, so the wires aren't just hanging in between there. I had one before, and it did have the wires kind of hanging in between. It was more of a fabric-y thing, but this one's cool because it stays kind of tight on there, so you're not going to get it caught up and stuff. And very cool. Actually, I'm putting up some Christmas lights tonight, so I'll be able to mess with this tonight as I'm plugging things in and doing things on the outdoors. I can see what I'm doing. So super cool. Thumbs up for me. Thumbs up, a lighting thumbs up for me. And links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.